my friends, hi everyone, welcome back. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. I told you I'm gonna make Jamaican black Christmas cake. That's my favorite to eat on Christmas. And so I'm gonna show you all the ingredients that I use, as I told you before, that I'm gonna make it like an organic Christmas cake. This is gonna be healthy as well as tasty with all of these ingredients. So first I want to show you my butter. This butter is organic butter. You take it out overnight, and so you see how soft it is. So you take it out from overnight. This is my organic butter that I use. And then you add the sugar. You add the sugar to it. And I want to